has sent you the doubts. Two doubts.
I told your mom that I need the working for one of the question.
So my mom told me, but I was having a nap, and after the
And
nap, she
you
woke
can
up.
better send before the next class, okay?
Yes, sir.
I need to see the working of both the questions.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir, what do we have to do?
13th and 14th question, better. Dia has not joined, I suppose.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mahuri.
Ma'am, please check the answer. Sir, there is no option for Ragini.
So she has got disconnected. Guys, please send to me.
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
Go and come back quickly. So everyone send your answer to me till she is disconnected. Guys, time up now. Please send the answer. So Mr. Bambi, Hacker, Adya, Candy, Chatty, Smiley.
So just send.
So Hitansh, you are not going through the recordings, correct?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Hitansh, why do you miss so many classes?
Sir, I forgot that there was a class, sir. Sir, I don't know why.
Sir, I sent you my answer.
So Candy, Adya, and Dia. All right, guys, I'll explain now. So the first question is when we will add everything up and subtract this one. So first I will add 63.368 plus 27.732. So I will get 0, 0 and 1 and 5 and 8. So I will get 85.100. Next, I will subtract 35.147. So I will get 3. I will get 9 minus 4 will be 5. And this will be 9 minus 1. That will give me 8. So what will it give me? 953. So I will get 953 and this will become 9. And this will become what? 49. So I will get 49.953. Now when I round it off to the nearest hundreds, this is the hundreds place. I will check the digit on the right. If it is 5 or less, then nothing will change. My answer will be 49.95. So any doubts in this, Candy and Mr. Bambi and Chatty?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So next one actually I wanted to ask Chatty, Candy, UI, Mr. Blachip, how did you solve this? Next question.
Sir, I can send you a screenshot.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, Sudram, you
Sir,
tell.
0.75 is equal to 3 by 4, which is 6 by 8. 1200 divided by 6 is 200. 200 into 5 is 1000. Sir, same.
So kind of like that.
So let my number is x. So this is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 multiplied by x is equal to 1200. Because 3 by 4 of one number is 1200. Candy, Adya, Chatty, keep your camera on. So then I will multiply by 4 and divide by 3. So my number will be 1600. This is my number. So I multiplied 0.75 of a number means 3 by 4 of a number which is x. Now I will find 5 by 8 of 1600. So which is equal to 1 by 200. 200 into 5, 1000.
Sir, got it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain again?
I can explain again. See, beta, I did by linear equations.
Yes, sir.
How I did?
Linear equation.
No, I'm explaining how I did. 0.75 means 3 by 4. This thing you understand, correct?
Yes, sir.
3 by 4 of a number means multiply. Matlab 3 by 4 of x gives you 1200, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
4 will go in the multiplication, 3 will come in the division. So I will do 4400 into 4, I will get 1600. Understood?
Yes.
Now 5 by 8 of 600, 1600 will give you 1000.
Okay, sir.
We can also do by one more method. So we can see that so we can do that 1200 divided by 3 is equal to 400, and then so we will do 400 into 4, then we'll get x.
Yes.
Which questions?
You will do 15th and 16th.
Sir, can you zoom the 15th question?
Beta, because of the 16th question, I cannot zoom anymore.
Okay. I zoomed on my screen.
Yeah, that you can do. That's a very good idea. You guys can zoom on your screen whenever the question is written in smaller fonts.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
So can I leave and rejoin, sir? There's some glitch in my laptop, sir.
yes, you can.
Some of it.
So today you are the host.
No, you need to send to Ragini.
Yes, so wait, what's happening? This is zooming of screen is annoying.
This screen is not getting zoomed from my side only.
Exactly the problem. We need permission from sir to do that.
But it
So
doesn't
has ratio proportion been started in anyone's school? Has ratio proportion been started in anyone's school?
Oh, what is ratio proportion?
That we are going to study next.
Sir, we haven't started in school, but I'm familiar with the topic.
Same, sir.
How are you familiar?
familiar.
Sir, we did it in 4th and 5th grade. In school.
Dia and Chatty, how are you familiar?
So ratio
Sir,
equals to, like, for example, 2, then the symbol of dot dot. Then another.
Sir, I asked our teacher, so she gave a brief explanation.
Chatty,
Annoying.
just for your info, beta, both your answers are wrong and you need to send to ma'am. Lady boy, the same goes for you also. Both your answers
So it's very difficult
Let's
because
no
the
no no
16th one.
wait 15th question is different in the new book.
So we have a tie.
So just check your answers, guys. I'll have to check the 15th question. It's different in the new book.
Sir, it's a tie between A and C.
It's a tie between A and C. Let's
No,
see.
it is not. See carefully, it is not.
I guess I'm just going to do. I bet I'm going. What? Fine, I sent C. Wait.
Ma'am, kindly check.
So guys, have you been solving from the IMO books? Mr. Blah, are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Hacker, are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Chatty is saying yes. So what about you, Sudharam?
Sir, which
Very good question. The books better that I have sent for
ma'am,
decoration.
please check my answer.
One is 3-4 books I have sent for decoration. No, those ones. Have you been
It was for
solving?
decoration, sir. I thought.
Sir, I bet
Sir,
Sudharma hasn't even
sir,
opened
I
them.
was studying with it, sir.
Stop
It's for
here.
decoration, sir.
Stop telling.
Sir, put it in my room,
So
sir.
Mahuri and Hitansh.
Really? What do you do?
All right,
You
all right.
do.
Diya, keep quiet, beta. Mahuri, have you started the books?
Sir, I started them. Sir, I did the past homework that you sent. So, but the latest ones, so my books are lost. So, sir, I'm trying to find them, but I'll complete them before the next class.
Very good. What about you, Hitansh and Candy?
3-1 I have started, sir.
Sir, I've started.
Beta, start will not help. You will have to, sincerely work on them.
Sir, I have also
All
done
right,
the
let's see the 15th question. It is 2408 first part, the whole number part. Then the decimal part is 031. So where I can find 2408.031, I can find it in the C part. Correct? Yes or no? So smiley. Understood, not understood, beta? So 2408 8 ones. Yeah, 0 tens and 8 ones is 2408. Then we have 0 tens, 300s and 1000. So 0.031. So you have to find where you can find this.
Sir, I understood the question and I got the answer correct also, but I sent the option number wrong.
Okay. So then we are looking for have the least shaded part. Least shaded part means white part बहुत ज़्यादा हो. So guys, by observation, I can say कि मेरा B और D answer नहीं होना चाहिए because इसमें shaded part is looking more. So I will check the A and C part. So I have 1, 2, 3. And total squares are how many?
10.
4, 8, and 10. So this is 3 out of 10. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can 6 half squares means shaded are 3. So out of how many? 12. So this is 3 out of 10. This is 3 out of 12. Which is smaller? So 3 out of 12 will be smaller because if numerators are same, bigger denominator makes a smaller fraction. And I want smaller fraction. So my answer would be C.
सर बट हम ऐसे कैसे कह सकते हैं कि बी और डी में वो ज्यादा शेडेड है तो वो
बेटा
ज्यादा
आंखों से देख के, बेटा ये दिख नहीं रहा इतना सारा
Sir,
शेडेड?
I sent most shaded. I didn't use
आंखों
the
से
best.
भगवान ने आंखें दी हैं, देखो उनका यूज करो.
Sir, can I go get water?
After doing the question and getting them correct, you can even fly to the mountains and come back. But don't ask me before that. Eh, 17th and 18th.
So this is a board mass question.
But it has clear brackets in it, so I don't think so. Everything is BODMAS, but it properly qualifies for the rule of BODMAS. Everything is bracket. आप पहले solve करोगे.
That's true, but I get mixed up in decimal multiplication.
This is pretty simple multiplication.
Oh, this one was easy.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I leave and rejoin? I cannot see the question.
Yes. Guys, should I increase the font size more?
नो सर.
Okay.
Oh wait, this one is surprising. Easy provided it's given in the options. Oh yeah, no it isn't. It is.
Priya, can you please mute yourself?
I was
Yeah,
trying.
you can do commentary also when you grow up.
Thank you. I think I'll stick to corporate lawyer.
You're becoming a lawyer?
Shut up, Willy Wonka.
Oh, so you want to become a lawyer after all?
Shut up, Willy Wonka.
All right, enough.
So I'm confused how to convert it into a decimal.
Daddy, beta sent to ma'am. Beta, this is already, this one. Beta, there are three ways. One by multiplying with something. Second by dividing. Third by, I told you to remember few common conversions to decimals. So Smiley, Adya, UI, Candy.
Sir, I'm not understanding how to convert it to decimals.
Daddy, now you can drink the mountain also.
Oh, got it. Simple. It's simple.
You can drink the whole cloud, Chatty.
Simple. It's easy.
Oh, Smiley, have you solved beta? You are beta, I can't hear you, Smiley.
Sir, I get confused in these questions.
Beta, I'll explain which question you got confused, 17th or 18th?
Sir, both.
Both. What is beta 8 into 0.1?
Sir, may I answer?
No. It's her chance. Yes, beta. What is 8 into 0.1?
So 8.1.
No, beta. See. 8 into 1 is 8, correct?
Yes.
8 into 0.1 is 0.8. ठीक है, we simply shift one decimal place to the left, so I got 0.8. Now, Smiley, what is 6 into 0.01?
So 0.06.
Correct. And what is 4 into 0.001?
0.004.
Right. So when I will add them, so it will become 800,060, and this is already having 3 digits after the decimal. So when I will add them, I will get 0.864, and I will add 2 to it also, so I will get 2.864. Understood?
Understood.
Next one, which of the following shows the unshaded part? So unshaded are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6 in this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in this one.
18.
So total I will get 18. 18 out of
10. Sorry,
30.
30.
So 18 out of 30 is unshaded. So I will do it with 3. I will get 6 upon 10. 6 upon 10 is 0.6. There is no need of further simplifying. So Smiley,
I took
Hacker,
it
Chip.
out. I took it out of the shaded part.
So did we understand Smiley, Chip, Hacker?
Yes, sir.
So
Guys, whenever we are finding the fraction of something which is not a whole, this is less than a whole, मतलब ये complete नहीं है. So I will get always an answer which is less than 1. So 2.5 was clearly not answer. Just telling you. Next, 19th and 20th.
How are we supposed to cite that? And how can you put points in decibels in fractions?
The 20th like question we have done in the past. And 19th is a little bit trickier. My hint for the 19th question is you convert them into whole number.
Okay.
See kids, sometimes you need to work in fractions, sometimes you need to work in decimals, and sometimes we need to work in whole numbers. So you have to see which form will suit which question.
Yeah, literally, please mute your bike.
That's my purpose, to annoy you. Sorry.
The purpose is to annoy him, not us.
Well, yeah, but then you are no less. And of course, annoy Mr. Blah after what happened in school.
Oh, yeah. I remember now.
Exactly. But that wasn't fair to me. I was on duty.
Well, it wasn't Blast's fault either.
How much does he cry?
excuse me, sir.
Yes, Adya?
Sir, can I leave and rejoin?
Yes, beta, you can.
The school put me on duty. So I'm really mad.
Sir, after giving the answer of this question, sir, can I please leave, sir? I have another class.
Beta, you need to reach at 7, na? Or 7:50.
Yes, sir. It's 15 minutes away, sir.
So, Mr. Blah, what time do you leave?
So 7:50. So 6:50.
So you also leave at 6:50, Hitansh. And Hitansh, you also can do the class in the car like Mr. Blah does.
Okay.
Yeah, you were so lucky to have not attended the physics paper.
Yeah, but I was also unlucky for
Okay, fine, enough, guys. Dia got 2 questions wrong. Let her work on those. All right. I am explaining the 20th one specially. Smiley, you want to give your answer for 20th one?
Yes, sir. So the
Even I want to
B
give
part.
Which one?
B part.
B part is wrong, beta. Whenever you have a mixed fraction like this, so this is your whole part. Your whole part is 75. Then what is 491 over 1000? Diya, those who got it wrong, Diya, they are Smiley. What is 491 over 1000?
So 0.491.
Then you combine 0.491 here. So this is your decimal part. This is your whole part.
Sir,
So it
I
will
added a zero by mistake. Sir, I added a zero by mistakenly.
So Smiley and Adya, did you understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the 19th question, which is slightly tougher. Ma'am, please give stars to the ones who got it right. So I will my purpose is to convert both of them into what? Whole numbers. So first, so that my question becomes easier. First, I will convert at least my denominator, if not everything. So what will I get? 0.5 1 shift, 5 2 shift, 50. 1 shift, 0.5 2 shift, 5. So 50 upon 5, which is equal to 10. So this expression has become 10. Any doubts in this one?
No, sir, but then where does 0.1 come from?
Where 0.1?
So what's the answer?
I'm better doing na. Next is ये मैंने part solve किया half part. Next is 0.05 upon 0.5. I can multiply by 10 and 10 or 100 by 100, but 10 by 10, let me multiply with that. I will get 0.5 upon 5. Correct? Which is equal to 0.1. इनफैक्ट आप 100 by 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते तो ये भी हट जाता, ये 5 upon 50 आ जाता, which is 1 by 10, which is 0.1, और easy हो जाता. So 10 minus 0.1 will be equal to what? 9.9.
So
So
mine is much of serious
So now,
calculation.
so now can I leave, sir, at 6:50?
So Mr. Bambi, you will join from car. All right?
Can I also join from car?
Yes, Mr. Blah.
So I by mistakenly just solved till 10, and then the closest to 10 was A. So that was.
So have you understood, Adya, Candy, Smiley, Dia?
Excuse me,
So
sir.
much of
Yes, Chip.
calculation.
I did not understand how 0.1 came.
So,
1 upon 10 is 0.1.
so then the next step would be 10 minus 0.1.
Which is 10 minus 0.1 is 10.0 minus 0.1, which is 9.9. Tip understood, not understood बेटा? आप अगर बेटा इस स्टेप में 10 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करो 0.05 upon 0.5, let's multiply by 10 by 10, so you will get 0.5 upon 5. अब आप इसको divide कर लो by long division or orally, so you will get you will get here 0.5, here it is 5, you will put a decimal, then 5 and 0, so you will get 0.1. All right.
So can we get a break?
Yes, sir.
So please, it's been many classes since we got a break.
Wait. Oh, this one was easy.
No, it was really simple.
I don't know, maybe it has some trick in it or something, which is what I was trying
So
to catch
can we
us.
get a break after this question?
I don't
Yeah,
think it was
so,
very.
So which one is difficult?
but I got my answers of both in like a second.
Guys, ये
I
questions
know.
बहुत easy हैं and you can just convert them into decimal and do it.
Sir, we can just simply do them orally. By just
Yes,
looking at the
you can
options.
do it orally also.
Wait, Meher, just a reminder, please explain bio to me later.
Okay.
By
मैं
looking at the
do
options, you
charger
can
बेटा. She wants to become a corporate lawyer beta, so let her learn the basics right from now itself. Do charge and Mauri.
Okay, sir.
So I need help with bio. I didn't study at all during the classes.
You know what is an incorporate lawyer?
Person who solves
Saturn,
crimes
Saturn.
and stuff.
Okay.
So everybody's getting this question.
All right, everyone, let everyone do it.
So everybody's getting it right. So can you give us a break after this?
Yes, sir, a break.
No break in grade 6. Break in
Sir,
grade
no
6.
kids was also in grade 6. I heard from some of your students in grade 4 and 5 that you still give them breaks and kids every day.
All right, so Adhya. So dear Adhya. So 4 kg 500 gram will become what in decimals, Adhya? बेटा अनम्यूट करके बात करते हैं ना हम. Yes, quickly. 4 kg 500 gram will become how much?
4.500.
4.500 is nothing but 4.5. Now kids, everyone have got it right, but let me explain one thing. This is all, if you are trying to convert it into kg, this is already in kg. So you just have to divide the grams. Like 650 upon 1000 will give you what? 0.65. So when you add to 5, so 5 plus 0.65 is going to become 5.65. So this you must remember that you are converting just the grams into what? Kgs. Understood, not understood, kids? So let's see, we'll come to know how many of you have understood or not understood in
So
the
that
next two
was
questions. So what was the answer, Chetty, for these two questions?
So the answer was B and C.
B and C. The answers were B and C.
So for
Right.
the 21st question, I just estimated the TG part and then I just
Okay. So let's see how much you have understood. Do the next two questions.
Start that and we please get a break.
Beta, I know, Dia, you want to study more, you want to do overtime. But Beta, I appreciate your gesture a lot, Dia. Trust me on that. But like I can't do overtime, na? Some other kids might have other
Sir,
engagements.
sir, I swear, please give us a break.
Yes, stop.
I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. Wait. How is this question?
Stop it.
What should I stop?
So next class, we can start ratio proportion or we can, practice reasoning.
The ratio proportion.
Sir, please give a break.
So can you do a poll?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ba, we can see the trees behind the back. So next class, in case you have doubts from any of your school syllabus, you can also ask me because we are going at a good pace.
Yes, sir. And after bio exam, we have our maths exam.
When is your maths exam? It's
Monday.
22nd.
Monday. How many chapters are coming?
First two.
Which is the second chapter?
Natural and whole numbers.
One is natural and whole numbers, and the other one is
Numbers.
natural. So can we please have a 15-minute break after this?
Beta.
Yes, sir.
The second question will be wrong. I solved it too tightly.
Sir, wait, whether Geetal and Gaurav.
They are absent today.
Excuse me, sir.
But
Yes,
they were
Mr.
there
Blah.
with me in the last class.
Sir, can I leave? I leave. I've almost reached my class. I'm
Yes.
almost.
Okay, Mr. Blah. What was your last class, Dia?
So debate.
They are also debating.
Yes, sir.
Is it every day?
No, sir, only Wednesdays.
That's why.
And next Wednesday is the last class. Then we start with another batch, which whose date and timing is yet to be announced.
Yeah, you still do ideal.
Ideal ki classes, no, but ideal competitions rarely, just for experience, because ideal ki judging
All
ko
right,
pata hai,
all
biased
right,
hai.
guys. So, second question, 24th, mostly everyone got it right. So, I'll focus on the 23rd question. So, like I told you, I have to convert the meter into kilometers, which is the most important thing. So, in this question, I know which mistake most of you did. When you convert 50 meters into kilometers, what will be my answer? So those who got it wrong, only those who got it wrong, only they can speak. So Adya, Chip, Smiley, and Chetty.
So 50,000.
बेटा मीटर को किलोमीटर में करना है. You have to go to a bigger unit. 50 upon 1000 is what? Those who got it wrong, 50 upon 1000 is what? 0.050, which is equal to 0.05. So did you do this mistake, Candy, Adya, Chip, Smiley?
Yes, sir.
Now total kilometers will be 20
I got it
plus
correct.
0.05, which is equal to 20.05. Next, that will be equal to 200 meter will be 200 upon 1000,
0.2.
which is equal to 0.2. So total will be 10 plus 0.2, which is
10.2.
10.2. 0 I can do to convert them into like decimals. Then I will add them. No, more than I will subtract them. Yeah, so I will subtract them. So when I subtract them, I will get 5, and here this will give a borrow. So this will become 110, and this will become what?
8.
Two.
Sir, can't we just subtract
Yeah.
them? Sir, can't we just subtract them and then put the decimal point?
Yes, no beta, we can't do that because उससे आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि the place values are proper or not.
Sir, do we really have to do all that conversion? Can't we just do 20 kilometer minus 050 meters? 20 kilometers, 050 meters minus 10 kilometers and 200 meters.
Beta, see, there are two ways of doing that. First one is conversion to decimal that I have shown. Second one is conversion to smaller unit. When you convert to smaller unit, this will become 20,050.
No, sir, I'm saying, may I please have the permission to annotate?
Yes, yes.
So I'm saying, can't we just do 20? Wait, I'll use another color. 2250 minus 10,200.
All right, Hitansh. Beta, when you do it like this, then you will have to take care that this becomes 19 and this change into 1050.
Yes, sir.
So this method we will study in measurements.
So we will
I
take
don't want to go into details. If you know this method, you can use this method. Otherwise, I will be explaining the decimals method for now and the method to convert it into a lower unit. Because
Because sir, this is very lengthy. It will eat up
converting
time.
into a lower unit is much easier. You can do it converted into a lower unit also and solve the question.
Yes, sir, but that's a little more lengthy.
Yeah. All right. So, Dia, what's the answer for 24th?
A part 4255.
A
Go to the
part.
next question.
So can our next question be free from this class?
5 minutes break.
See, in grade 6, there is no break. We have to study.
So, but you said we're going at a good pace and you're ready to
That
sacrifice
does.
next class.
Yes, so just two.
I am not sacrificing next class. We'll be studying. But if you have any doubts, I can definitely take them.
Exactly, so technically sacrificing the next class.
So just 5 minutes break.
No, beta, please
Let's give
don't
2
ask.
minutes.
Man, that's too.
Guys, don't ask for breaks, beta. Let's, get into the habit of studying.
So we already
No,
did
but
12 questions already.
yes,
12
sir.
questions are pretty less. I'm hoping for more questions.
Sir, and I had to study bio and a debate com before this.
So it's just 7 minutes for the class to get.
Can we have a 7-minute break?
No, beta, no, not having.
So then can we have a 5-minute class and then 2-minute break?
All right. Let's do the 25th and 26th question. It's such an easy question.
So can these be the last questions of the day?
First do this, then we'll see.
Wait, so this needs to be divided. What do you call 6 into 23? So this is a recurring division. 20 minus 18
Stop, please be quiet. Yeah, speak all you like.
half. Okay, let me try this other way. You're annoying.
So like what is first decimal place? Like is it tenths or thousands?
Will be tense, beta.
Sir, I can't understand this question.
Excuse me, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
The first
What
decimal place is thousands or tenths?
Beta, see from the here. See from the options what they have written.
Okay, sir.
Please check checking.
Adya Mahuri Candy.
So send.
It was a typing error.
Ma'am, same.
All right. So first question, guys, this is solving a linear equation. 6 will go there. Can I write 6 plus 8m equal to 16? I have just changed the sides. I have not done anything. Just मैं जो right था left ले आया, left था right ले आया. Can I do that?
So could you explain
Yes,
again?
sir.
बेटा मैंने 6 plus 8m को I brought it left. 16 को मैं I brought it to the right. Can I do that?
Yes.
Now 6 I will shift to the right. 8m will be equal to 16 minus 6. So 8m will be equal to 10. Can I do that?
Yes.
So m will be equal to 10 upon 8, which is equal to 5 upon 4, which is equal to 1.25.
Oh.
So understood, Chip?
So
And
stop.
yeah,
So I did not understand after m is equal to 10 upon 8 and after.
Yes.
मैंने simplify किया, I got 5 by 4.
Yes.
Now there are two ways of divide 5 by 4. You will get 1, 4, 1.0, 0 will fall down. So 2, 8, 2, 0, 2, 0, 5.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Or multiply by 25 by 25.
This is too complicated. So start it into 16 minus 6, which is equal to 10. 10 divided by 8 normally, and then you get
Excuse me,
1.25.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I did not understand that. Why did we subtracted 16 minus?
Beta, this is a linear equations concept. We will do linear equations once again, but for now I am telling you, when 16 is on the left side, when it goes to the right side, it becomes plus, becomes minus. Abhi yahan pe it is plus 6, no sign means plus. It goes to the right side of the equal to, so it becomes minus 6.
And sir, can you explain this part?
Which one?
Sir, this
Beta, 8 is in multiplication. It will go to the right side and become division. So m will be equal to 10 upon 8.
yes, sir. So then how did 1.25?
Beta, I got simplified it. I got 5 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Now 5 by 4 ko you can, divide 5 by 4. You will get 1.25. Method 1. Method 2, आप 25 by 25 से multiply करो because that will give you 100 in the denominator. Method 2. Method 3, Sudhram, what were you telling the third method?
So we can subtract 6 from 16 and then get 10, and then 10 divided by 8, which gives 1.25.
Beta, you can do that, na? Other kids might not be able to.
That's very simple. This is too
Okay, fine.
complicated.
All right. Beta, आप 10 by 8 को divide करो या 5 by 4 को divide करो. It is the same story. चलो, next. This is 5 ones. This is 53 tens. 53 tens means 5.3, 53 upon 10. This is 5 ones, so this will be 3 tens. Off to the first decimal place means they are erasing the decimals, they are just rounding off, so 14.9 will change to 15. This is 14.2. Hacker, you got this question wrong. You understood, Hacker? So, all right, kids, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy. Bye, kids.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.